Welcome to the Rolling Acres chapter of BBQ Pit Boys, Cheshire Cat. Today we are doing buzzing baby backs. So we're gonna try out this new, it's by BBQ Pit Boys. It's a honey mild buzz. To give it a little bit more of a buzz, we're gonna put some Jack Daniels in there. We're gonna use it's gonna be like a hot honey type thing, but it's, you know, we're gonna do the 3-2-1 method. So we're gonna smoke it for 3 hours, and then we're going to wrap it for 2 hours. And usually the last hour doesn't usually take the full hour, but then we're just gonna nice and coat these with this nice hot honey buzzing mix. I think it's gonna be good. Okay, to get these started, we're gonna dry them off real good. And I do not take the skin off, and I don't even trim it. I'm not going to even trim this one. We paid for it, might as well eat it, right? So I'm going to scribe this. I'm going to take my buck knife. I'm going to scratch these up. Maybe some of this stuff. This ain't going to do much, but we'll get rid of it. But all right, chuck that away. We're gonna season it. Like I said, this is buzzing honey mild. We're gonna give it a let's start at the bottom. Flip it over. I think we're getting there. Now here's a little something that's probably gonna, I'm gonna use some of this duck fat, and I'm gonna put it right over top of this rub, because I'm looking for a nice little crispiness. Right, so yes, I put the rub down first. I'm putting this duck fat on. Right? Now I'm going to hit it again. And we're ready for a smoker. All right, we got the smoker going. It's going pretty good. I'm going to take these ribs. We're going to put them right here, indirect heat. You'll see that I have a water pan underneath here. I do that like in these colder temperatures. It's like 15 degrees out. The water will help maintain that temperature. It's going to, you know, it's really cool how it works, because as the coals start to wear off and start to burn off, the water temperature will help keep it at a steady temperature. Plus the moisture helps break down the meat. Today we're doing pecan. Throw a little pecan in there, close it up. We're not going to look at this for a couple hours. See you soon. Well, I said I wouldn't touch them for a few hours, and they've been on for 2.5 hours. Oh, they look pretty good, huh? Coming along. A little more time. Oh yeah, they're starting to loosen up. We're getting there. All right, these have been 3 hours on the smoker. Like I said, doing pecan. Because it's a little colder today, I am going to wrap these in saran wrap, just so that it'll cook a little bit quicker, and I don't have to worry so much about the temperature. I'm going to break off some of this honey or butter. I guess I probably could use a knife, huh? All right, that'll be good. We'll slap some honey on here. And we're going to wrap these up. So even though I'm wrapping these up, you're going to say, well, it's going to get all that plastic in the food. what ends up happening is the plastic will get, if it gets too hot, it'll pull back. It isn't going to like burn into the food or anything like that. So we'll get this plastic wrap aside. Now we're going. All right, we're going to put these out in the smoker for about 2 more hours. Meanwhile, we're going to get started on the sauce. Be right back. All right, this is going to be the other part of the buzzing sauce. So we're going to add some of this Jack Daniel's honey. Ugh, come on. I'm going to use all of it. We're going to do a splash of apple cider vinegar. That should be enough. We're going to do, say, a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Honey. Come on. All right. We're going to add some more of the buzz. BBQ Pit Boys buzzing. All right, so we're going to add some red pepper flakes to this because it is going to be a hot honey mix. And we're going to put it right here in the smoker right on the hot side. And we're going to let this render down, or not render down, we're going to let this reduce. And it should be pretty good. And we'll see in a little bit. All right, these have been sitting a couple hours. Our mop sauce is nice and ready. We're going to take these apart. Oh yeah, I can feel just by the bend. Oh yeah, look at all that moisture in there. Oh yeah, I'm really digging this. Come on out of there. Look at the bones are just falling right apart. All right, we're going to transfer this right over here. And we're going to hit it with our mop sauce. Ooh, it doesn't really need it, but check out that glaze. Ooh. Yeah, we're going to cover this up. I'll let this set in and tack up a little bit, and we'll be right back. All right, here's the ribs. Once again, we used buzzing. A little bit of Jack Daniel's, a little bit of honey, a little bit of heat. I made a nice little mop sauce. Ooh, hot honey mop sauce. It came out really good. Yeah, so let's get ready to cut into this. Right here. It came out pretty good, huh? All right. So, I hate to do this in front of you guys, but we really do apologize, but this is what we call pitmaster privilege. I'm going to take a bite of these. We got some heat. We got some heat. Well, these are good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Oh.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.